proceed to another number. So for number 3, y is equals to arctan 4 all over x. So for arctan, so differentiation of arctan is just equals to 1 all over 1 plus u squared du over dx. So our u here is u is equals to 4 all over x, right? So let's have this one. So let's solve this one. So y prime is equals to 1 all over. So 1 plus, so u is equals to 4 all over x squared. So d over dx. So we have x times derivative of 4 is 0 minus 4 times 1 derivative of x is equals to 1. So x squared all over x squared. So we have y prime is equals to 1 all over 1 plus 16 all over x squared. So multiply by negative 4 all over x squared. So simplifying, we have y prime is equals to negative 4 all over x squared plus 16. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Y prime is equals to negative 4 all over x squared plus 16. So our answer here is correct. Negative 4 all over x squared plus 16. So let's proceed to another number. Number 5, y is equals to arc secant square root of 4x plus 1. So we'll get its first derivative. So dy over dx. So take note that arc secant, derivative of arc secant is just equals to 1 all over u square root of u squared minus 1. So du over dx. So the u here is square root of 4x plus 1 or 4x plus 1 raised to the power of 1 half. So let's solve this one. So y prime is equals to 1 all over. So u is equals to square root of 4x plus 1 multiply by square root of, so u is equals to the square root of 4x plus 1 squared minus 1. So du over dx. So derivative of 4x plus 1 raised to the power of 1 half is just equals to 1 half. So copy inside, and 1 half minus 1 is negative 1 half. So derivative inside is 4. So let's simplify further. So we have y prime is equals to 1 all over. So square root of 4x plus 1. So multiply by, so square root of, so 4x plus 1 minus 1. Then multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 all over 4x plus 1. So square root of 4x plus 1. So by simplifying, we have y prime is equals to 1 all over. So square root of 4x plus 1 multiply by 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So we have square root of 4x multiply by 2 all over square root of 4x plus 1. So we have y prime is equals to 2 all over. So 4x plus 1. So the square root will be cancelled. So square root of 4x is just equals to 2 square root of x. So 2 square root of x multiply by 2 square root of x. So we have y prime is equals to These 2 will be cancelled. So these 2 will be cancelled. So our answer will be 1 all over square root of x multiplied by 4x plus 1. But to simplify further, we want the square root will be cancelled in the denominator. So we will divide. So we'll multiply both sides by square root of x. So we have y prime is equals to square root of x all over x multiplied by 4x plus 1. So this will be now our final answer. Square root of x. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Square root of x all over x multiplied by 4x plus 1. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.